So are you ready to learn how to start a successful YouTube channel in 2020? Over the past year, I've created over a dozen new YouTube channels. Many of these channels have gone on to get hundreds of thousands of views, and I want to explain for you today. If you're a new YouTuber, you have a very small following, maybe you have 0 or under 100 subscribers right now. What I'm going to tell you in today's video is going to help you grow and make a successful YouTube channel for 2020. Now here's the thing. A lot of people are going to tell you you need to do this and that, you need to follow this strategy and you need to do this and you need to post video today and today, tomorrow, next day, whatever. Okay? And those strategies do work, but there are some strategies that you can use that will make you more successful just by following very simple methods that have been proven to work. So that's what I'm going to explain to you in today's video. So if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Adam Snyder and I am the Homemade Entrepreneur. Now consider subscribing so that you learn new ways to make money online and become a better entrepreneur. So how do you start a successful YouTube channel in 2020? Well, the very first thing that you must do, my number one tip, is to choose a specific niche. When I say specific, I am talking about laser focused, and something that you probably have never heard of before is everyone tells you, oh, just pick a topic, pick a hobby, pick something you're passionate about. But that's not enough, not in 2020. In 2020, you need to be laser focused. You need to pick a very specific niche so that you can actually target that niche and target a specific audience, people that will come back to your videos, okay? And if you're not doing this or you're not doing it correctly, you're not gonna get a lot of views and you're not gonna get that repeat traffic that most people are after. One of the main reasons why I tell you to choose and target a specific niche is because the more targeted and the more laser targeted it is, the more focused you are to a specific audience, it's gonna make it easier to get people to keep coming back on your next video and the next video and the one after that. So that's the number one thing I recommend. So not only is repeat traffic great, but the other reason why you want to have very specific videos is so that when you finally do run ads and YouTube ads are being placed on your videos, they're actually targeted ads. So you don't get an ad for a car when you are talking specifically about Medicare, or you're not getting insurance video or ads when your videos are on, maybe like childcare, things like that. You want your ads to actually complement the videos that they're on. Now I know what you're thinking. Well, how do I come up with a specific niche that I should target? Well, it's actually very simple. So let's say you're talking about fitness and the fitness industry. That's a great niche to be in, but it's not specific enough. What I recommend is, let's say you target women over 50, you target young men, you target single dads, you target people with a dad bod. Maybe you're going to target females that want to work out their arms. You're going to be very specific with your niche, okay? And if you can do this in every single video, it's going to be easier for you to promote affiliate links and make some money that way. It's going to be easier for you to sell a course on that specific topic. It's going to be easier for you to get repeat visitors, and it's going to be easier for you if you decide to do coaching, because now you've already went through and you now have found possible coaching clients. Okay, these are all people that are looking for your services, your videos. So because of that, this is the number one reason why most people are not successful, is because they're not that focused. Take my Homemade Entrepreneur channel, for example. I can tell you right now, my channel is not laser focused, and it's like that for a reason. I have fun with it. I don't care about the money I make from the YouTube ads. It doesn't matter to me because this is not my main business. So if you want to be successful on YouTube in 2020, treat it as your main business and put everything into it. I guarantee you will be more successful. The second tip that I have for you guys when it comes to starting a successful YouTube channel in 2020 is to focus on ranking for different keywords. And here's the reason why I recommend this. A lot of people jump onto YouTube and think, oh, I'm just gonna put up a video about my day in the life. I'm gonna put a video up about what I ate for breakfast. I'm gonna publish a video on when I went to Europe for the week. and just things like that. And they're just everywhere. First, they're not targeting a specific niche. But the second thing is, it's very hard to rank videos that say vlog day 1 or my day in the life X. It's very hard to rank videos for that, especially as a newer YouTuber. What I recommend is to go and find keywords that you can actually rank for in the top 5 to 10 on YouTube. Let me give you an example. Let's say you want to rank for how to make money online. It's a very competitive keyword. I don't recommend trying to do it. You're probably not going to be successful. But what you could do is you can target the keywords such as best ways to earn an income on the internet 2020. That's going to be much easier to rank for than make money online. And a couple reasons. Number one, you're using different words. Number two, the main reason, it's a long tail keyword. It's longer, which means less people are actually targeting that specific keyword. And the benefit of less people targeting a specific keyword is that you have less competition, which means it's easier for you to get that traffic. If, let's say, 10,000 people search for that specific keyword every single month on YouTube, and there's only 5,000 people vying for that traffic, the cool part about it is you have a higher likelihood of the traffic flowing to your video compared to make money online, where millions of people are trying to search for this and there's millions and millions of videos on this exact same topic. The other reason why I really like it when you target specific keywords and you go to rank for them is that you are not relying on YouTube to push your videos and to get it in suggested and browse. You're going after YouTube search, which is very easy to manipulate, to get in front of. And if you can do this with several videos, dozens of videos, hundreds of videos, it now means that you are not relying on the YouTube algorithm at all. All you're trying to do is rank for that specific keyword, as opposed to hoping and praying that YouTube sees it's a great video and pushes it in front of other people. So if you're new and you don't have the momentum yet on your channel, don't worry about it. All you have to do is go and rank for more keywords. Trust me, this is exactly what I did, not only on this channel, but other channels as well. And the cool part about it is if I don't publish a video today, tomorrow, the next day, next week, next month, my channels are still gonna get the same amount of views. That's the best part, is I don't have to be on top of publishing every single day to consistently get more views. Now I'm gonna give you a tip that I haven't given a lot of people, okay? So if you want to start a successful YouTube channel in 2020, one thing I recommend that you do is reference other videos inside your video. For example, just the other day, I created a video and talking about 5 side hustle ideas you can start for under $100. You can see that video right there. Now, did you see what I did there? I referenced another video. The reason you do this, and you do it, I'd say between 1 and 2 times in every single video, is that you give your audience the next thing to watch, okay? And this is the reason why and how you do it. So the reason why you want to do this is because not only are you giving them a call to action, hey, go click on this link, go watch this video, this is the next thing you need to see. But the reason why this works is if you do it correctly and you're smart about the way that you go and reference videos and the actual videos that you pick, is that, let's say you're talking about 5 ways to lose belly fat. Cool. If in one of the videos that you point up to and link to and reference to talks about not 5 ways to lose belly fat, but maybe 10 items to, or 10, lunch or snack ideas to lose excess weight. Okay, something like that is going to be a follow video, a follow-up, okay, an extension of your current video. So because of that, more people are likely to watch that next video because that has exactly what they need next. You don't want to have a competing video. What you want to have is something that they can watch next. Now, was the video that I just picked and referenced to in that corner, was it the best video to put here inside this video? No, absolutely not. But it's the first video that popped in my head, so that's the reason why I reused it. Another trick or a hack, okay? So if you've been watching the video this long, I want to give you this trick or a hack that works, okay? So here's what you do. Now, inside your video, inside your description, and inside your tags, one of the things you can do is you can actually put a YouTuber's name. Okay, for example, let's say I want to do a video that I think a cool video that would go along with it would be something from Jake Paul or Logan Paul, okay, a big time YouTuber. So one of the things I could do is I could shoot my video, and inside my video, I'll reference a video on Jake Paul or Logan Paul, and I'd point to it and say, go click that card up there and that little link right there, because that's going to take you to that video. But the cool part about doing this is you say Jake Paul's name, you say Logan Paul's name inside your video, which now, once YouTube translates your video and does the captions for it, they're going to see Jake Paul, Logan Paul. So now they know both of those people are talked about inside the video. In addition to that, you can also reference and put a link to that video inside your description box. You can also put Jake Paul, Logan Paul, Team 10 or whatever they're called, put that inside your tags. Because by doing this, it's saying that, hey, these people, this group is associated with this video. Okay, it's relevant. It's not a keyword, but it's relevant, and that's what you want to do inside your tags. And by doing this one simple hack, the cool part about this is now hopefully your video will get pushed in front of their audience a little bit. Now, it doesn't happen all of a sudden. It's not going to happen overnight, but it can happen fairly quickly. Maybe in the next couple weeks or the next month or so, you will start to see your views coming from some of their videos. Now, it doesn't happen all the time, and if you're a brand new YouTuber, chances are it's going to be hard for you to get in front of Logan Paul and Jake Paul's audience, but it doesn't mean it's impossible. It just means it's somewhat difficult. And tip number 4 as to how to start a successful YouTube channel in 2020 is to promote playlists as opposed to individual videos. Here's the reason why you want to do this. When you promote a playlist, what a playlist essentially is a big long list, or 10, 15, 20 different videos on a specific topic. Maybe it's on healthy eating, dieting, keto, whatever it is, okay? And you create a playlist, okay, pretty much just a chunk of similar videos, and you put it in a playlist. The reason why you do this is because now, and by promoting a playlist, what's going to happen is the person's going to come to the playlist, see video 1. As soon as video 1's done, they're going to jump over to video 2. As soon as video 2's done, then jump to video 3, and it just keeps going until they run through the entire playlist. The cool part about this is now you are promoting binge watch content, okay, binge watch worthy content. And by doing this, instead of somebody watching one video and then jumping off to someone else's channel or just leaving completely, now they see the first video and get 10 minutes of watch time. The second video, another 10 minutes. Third video, another 10 minutes. So now instead of 10 minutes, you have 30, 40, maybe 50 minutes of watch time from one single person. And that's the best way to get YouTube to promote and push your content from other people, is by increasing your watch time in every single video that you create. Now, I could seriously talk for hours about setting up the playlist correctly, how to title it, how many videos to put in, things like that. I'm not going to do that in today's video because I think you get the idea. Okay, the first thing you need to do, just be very specific when it comes to choosing your niche. Second thing is you need to rank for specific keywords. Third thing, okay, you need to promote and reference other videos inside your video. Fourth thing, okay, provide playlists, promote playlists as opposed to individual videos, because you're gonna get more watch time because of it. And the last thing, just take action. Get out there, create some videos, publish those videos, and just see what happens. So there you have it, guys. Those are the things that you need to do if you want to start a successful YouTube channel in 2020. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video and learned something. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.